Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the US, from budget builds to rare vintage machines. Number 1. 1968 Triumph Trophy Sport, $7,700, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This one-owner 1968 Triumph Trophy Sport is a true survivor with a remarkable history, originally sold new in Tulsa and carefully maintained for decades. With just over 22,000 miles, it retains its original paint and classic British styling, making it a standout for collectors who appreciate authenticity. Recently brought back to road-ready condition after years in storage, it benefits from extensive service work, including carburetor overhaul, new tires, ignition components, and a full fluid refresh. What makes this bike especially appealing is the balance between originality and usability. Over $4,000 has been invested to ensure it runs properly while preserving its vintage character. Complete with manuals and documentation, this Triumph is not just a display piece, it's a ready-to-ride slice of late 60s motorcycling history with genuine provenance. Number 2. 1972 Honda CB500-4, $6,800, Garland, Texas. The 1972 Honda CB500-4 captures everything enthusiasts love about early Japanese inline-four motorcycles: smooth performance, classic styling, and everyday usability. Finished in a striking green and black combination with plenty of chrome, this example delivers strong visual appeal whether parked or cruising. Its timeless UJM design, complete with spoked wheels and analog gauges, makes it a versatile choice for riders or collectors alike. This bike works well as a weekend cruiser, a light restoration project, or a clean addition to any vintage lineup. Known for reliability and balanced performance, the CB500-4 offers a refined riding experience compared to many bikes of its era, making it an excellent entry point into classic Japanese motorcycles. Number 3. 1963 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLCH, $2,500, Spring, Texas. This 1963 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLCH Ironhead presents an affordable entry into early American V-twin ownership, especially for builders and project enthusiasts. Originally purchased as a running bike, it has since been stored and is now ready for someone to bring it back to life. With its bobber and chopper styling cues, it already carries the foundation of a custom build. While details are limited, the value here lies in its potential. Early Ironhead Sportsters are increasingly sought after, and at this price point, it offers a rare opportunity to create a personalized vintage Harley. With a title in hand and a strong base to start from, this is the kind of project that can turn into something truly special. Number 4. 1967 Kawasaki 350 Avenger 2-stroke, $4,900, Carriere, Mississippi. The 1967 Kawasaki 350 Avenger stands out as a classic 2-stroke machine from the early days of Kawasaki's performance lineup. This example has undergone a full frame-up restoration, with significant time and over $6,000 invested into bringing it back to life. With under 16,000 miles, it represents a well-preserved piece of Japanese motorcycle history. Two-stroke enthusiasts will appreciate the lightweight feel and lively performance these bikes are known for. Even though it's no longer ridden often, it remains a strong candidate for collectors or riders looking for something unique and engaging. It's a distinctive alternative to more common classics with plenty of vintage character. Number 5. 1972 BMW R60/5, $7,500, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1972 BMW R60/5 is a solid example of the legendary Airhead platform, known for durability and smooth touring capability. With 48,500 miles, it has been well maintained and recently serviced, including rebuilt carburetors, resealed heads, and updated fluids. The bike runs strong and, importantly for a classic BMW, is described as leak-free, something many enthusiasts value highly. Equipped with Cruiser luggage and supported by recent maintenance, this R60/5 is ready for regular riding or long-distance cruising. Its combination of classic styling, proven engineering, and practical upgrades makes it an excellent choice for riders who want a vintage bike they can actually use and enjoy on the road. Number 6. 1970 Yamaha RD350, $3,200, Campbell Hill, Illinois. The 1970 Yamaha RD350 is a true icon of the two-stroke era, known for its lightweight feel and sharp, responsive power delivery. This example comes with both originality and performance upgrades, including DG expansion chambers with minimal use, along with the original exhaust system included in the sale. With new carburetors, air filters, and additional aftermarket touches, the bike already has a strong foundation for an exciting ride. While it may need some fine-tuning and a fresh battery, the engine runs and shows solid potential. For enthusiasts who appreciate classic two-stroke performance, this RD350 offers a great balance between usability and project potential, especially with the option to switch between stock and performance setups. Number 7. 1970 BSA, $3,000, Burke Burnett, Texas. This 1970 BSA represents a classic British motorcycle project with plenty of character and potential. Although it's not currently running, the seller notes that it shouldn't take much to bring it back to life, making it an appealing option for hands-on enthusiasts. With a title in hand and extra parts included, it provides a solid starting point for restoration. BSA motorcycles from this era are known for their timeless styling and engaging riding experience. For someone willing to put in a bit of work, this bike could become a rewarding project that brings a piece of British motorcycling history back onto the road. Number 8. 1973 Norton 750 Commando, $7,000. Aquaca, Illinois. The 1973 Norton 750 Commando is one of the most respected British twins of its time, and this early production example adds even more appeal with its January 1973 build date. It's a numbers-matching bike with known history from the original owner, which is increasingly rare in today's market. After being brought back from storage, it has received multiple new parts and is now running, riding, and typically starting on the first kick. This Commando delivers the classic Norton experience: strong torque, distinctive sound, and vintage road presence. It's not just a collectible, but a usable classic that offers both historical value and an engaging ride for enthusiasts. Number 9. 1975 Suzuki RE5, $6,000, Oswaukee, Kansas. The 1975 Suzuki RE5 stands out as one of the most unique motorcycles ever produced, thanks to its rare rotary engine. Produced for only a short period, it has become a highly sought-after collector's piece. This example has spent decades stored in a garage but has recently been brought back to running condition, preserving its originality and rarity. Before hitting the road, it will need some attention, including new tires and a front brake master cylinder rebuild. However, for collectors or enthusiasts interested in unusual engineering, the RE5 offers a rare opportunity to own a truly distinctive piece of motorcycle history that stands apart from conventional designs. Number 10. 1979 Vespa P200E. $3,400, Colorado Springs, Colorado. The 1979 Vespa P200E delivers classic Italian scooter styling with practical usability, making it a favorite among vintage scooter enthusiasts. This example has recently undergone a comprehensive refresh, including upgraded YSS suspension, new ignition components, fresh Michelin tires, and fully serviced controls and brakes. With just over 10,000 miles and a strong running condition, it's ready to be enjoyed immediately. The P200E is known for its reliability and smooth ride, making it an excellent choice for city cruising or relaxed weekend rides, while still carrying that unmistakable vintage charm. Number 11. 1974 Honda CB750 Custom Cafe, $4,500, Tulsa, Oklahoma. This 1974 Honda CB750 Custom Cafe build blends classic inline-4 performance with tasteful upgrades and careful restoration work. With 28,000 miles, the bike runs and rides exceptionally well, starting easily with both electric and kickstart, often firing up instantly even from cold. The tank is described as near flawless, and the freshly painted frame adds to its clean, aggressive cafe aesthetic. Beyond its looks, this bike offers real value with included original parts and manuals, giving flexibility for restoration or customization. With new brakes, solid tires, and no mechanical issues, it's a ready-to-ride classic that could quickly be elevated to show quality condition with minor detailing. Number 12. 1970 Moto Guzzi Ambassador, $5,800, Mustang, Oklahoma. The 1970 Moto Guzzi Ambassador is a distinctive Italian touring machine known for its durability and smooth V-twin character. This example has covered around 24,000 miles and features thoughtful updates like a rebuilt starter, steel-lined cylinders, and heated grips, enhancing both reliability and comfort. With period-correct accessories still in place, it maintains its vintage appeal while offering practical usability. The Ambassador is a great option for riders looking for something different from the usual British or Japanese classics, combining style, history, and long-distance capability in one package. Number 13. 1983 Kawasaki KZ750 LTD, $1,900. Harrison, Arkansas. This 1983 Kawasaki KZ750 LTD offers an affordable entry into classic motorcycling with a reliable and well-maintained platform. With 32,000 miles, it starts, runs, shifts, and stops as it should, thanks to consistent care and a number of newer components. Its electric and kickstart options add convenience, making it easy to live with as a daily rider or weekend cruiser. While it has minor cosmetic imperfections, it remains a solid and dependable bike overall. For riders looking to get on two wheels without a big investment, this KZ750 LTD delivers classic style, usable performance, and great value for the price. Number 14. 1989 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic. $3,200, Belpre, Kansas. The 1989 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic is built for long-distance comfort, offering classic American touring capability at an accessible price. Powered by an 80 cubic inch engine paired with a 5-speed transmission, it delivers smooth highway cruising and that signature Harley feel. This example runs and rides well, with added features like Vance & Hines slip-ons and LED lighting upgrades. With 39,000 miles and a functioning stereo system, it's ready for road trips or daily cruising. The included touring pack adds practicality, making this a strong option for riders who want a classic touring bike with real usability and presence on the road. Number 15. 1981 Suzuki GS450L, $800, Des Moines, Iowa. At just $800, this 1981 Suzuki GS450L stands out as one of the most budget-friendly options in the lineup. With 14,000 miles and mostly original condition, it previously ran and rode well, making it a promising light project. Currently, it needs minor brake work and exhaust attention before returning to the road, but the fundamentals appear solid. For someone looking to get into classic motorcycles without spending much, this GS450L offers excellent potential. With a clean title and straightforward mechanical needs, it's an ideal starter project that could quickly become a reliable and enjoyable vintage ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycle deals.